Welcome to PFTV. Kitweri Emmanuel, thoughts on the game?
Before ngene egamini ne thanda ukubonga imisebenzi wenu bafuni nenza imisebenzi we right ngicela ukuthi mthole support sinisupporta not ngemali lokhu sinakho size la si apply ama views yenu ukuthi nani nikhona ukukhula bafowethu ne if khona lokhu kumele sinikele khona zonikela but igame bafune igame it was
Watshele nokuthi ba subscribe. Pakania. Relax man, relax. And then Pakania, watshele ba subscribe Pakania. That's the support we need.
For us subscribe for Mapagania for Lake Company ukuthi ikhule ne singabi nemona umuntu mayenza imisebenzi omuhle wenza imisebenzi omuhle mama siyazi ukuthi amabhakania will support each other because that's the reason siqalisa stadium la because siyayithanda lento siyenza khomba ukuthi this is a big family but goalkeepers ebhakania but they are on duty at the same time so let's subscribe guys then support amajita.
And any performance namhlanje Pakania, the second cup in the bag. Now we're chasing the league. Thoughts on the performance?
The performance was super. Never mind ukuthi siwine a good extra time. Nale teams besidlala nayo. They were there because basebenze kanzima until bafika la. Shows that they are the best. That's why sibanikeze a game it's half game. Sibashayela ukuthi basithathele 3 points yethu. Sibashayela imlando kahle kahle. Uyayibona sibeshayela imlando ukuthi lento basenze yona sicala ileague basithathele 3 point ayisiphathanga kahle nje sisimabhakaniya then to mabhakaniya this cup officially is a cabineteni kusele 2 ama cup then this season we're going to take 4 cups. It's MTN8 is in the cup at the back, then this Carling Black Label is in the back, then Netbank is following, it's coming. Then league is announced I call. The league belongs to us. It belongs to us. They will call us 4 triple. And siyabonga amakhosi nama Sundowns kuthi baza la bozobukela equality football because kuma team yabo there is no quality football. And siyanwona bafowethu next season if sithatha 4 ama cups ama ticket ye Pirates izoba 300 bafowethu. This is a quality football. Yes bafowethu.
300 for Chiefs and Sundowns.
Chiefs and Sundowns sobukela nge50 rand mfowethu.
Ngithi mabafuna ukuza usibukela.
Mabafuna ukuza bazozibukela bona they gonna pay 300 as anyone. Kuyafana bafowethu.
Thanks Emmanuel Bopha
semnyama.